How long do onions last? The precise answer to that question depends to a large extent on storage conditions. After purchasing, keep whole raw onions in a dry, dark area. Whole raw onions will last for 2 to 3 months in a cool, 45 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit, warmer than the refrigerator, but colder than normal room temperature, dark area. If a cool, dark area is not available, then onions should be refrigerated to ensure maximum shelf life. Properly stored, whole raw onions will last for 2 to 3 months in the refrigerator. To extend the shelf life of onions, store onions in a loosely covered paper or mesh bag or basket to allow for air circulation. Do not store onions in plastic bags, as the lack of air movement will reduce their shelf life. To further extend the shelf life of onions, do not store onions near potatoes, as the chemical reaction will speed the spoilage of both. How long do raw onions last after they've been sliced or chopped? Chopped raw onions will last 7 to 10 days in the refrigerator, stored in covered airtight containers. How long do onions last in the fridge once they have been cooked? Cooked onions will usually stay good for 3 to 5 days in the refrigerator and 10 to 12 months in the freezer. Can you freeze raw onions? Yes. To freeze, 1. Peel, then slice or chop onions. 2. Place in airtight containers or heavy-duty freezer bags, or wrap tightly in heavy-duty aluminum foil or plastic wrap. How long do raw onions last in the freezer? Properly stored, they will maintain best quality for about 6 to 8 months, but will remain safe beyond that time. The freezer time shown is for best quality only. Onions that have been kept constantly frozen at 0 degrees Fahrenheit will keep safe indefinitely. How to tell if onions are bad or spoiled? Onions that are spoiling will typically become soft and discolored, and will often develop dark patches. Discard any onions that have an off smell or appearance.